Bright Blossom Hub.
A is for alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bear with a mighty clap. C is for cat who loves to play. D is for dog, barking all day. Animals, animals, A to Z. So many creatures, come and see. Big and small from land to sea. Sing with us so happily. E is for elephant stomping around. F is for frog with the ribbit sound. G is for giraffe so very tall. H is for horse trotting through the stall. I is for iguana green and bright. J is for jaguar prowling at night. K is for kangaroo hop hop hop. L is for lion king on top. Animals, animals, A to Z. So many creatures, come and see. Big and small from land to sea. Sing with us so happily. M is for monkey swinging high. N is for nightingale singing in the sky. O is for owl with big wide eyes. P is for penguin waddling in surprise. Q is for quail running so fast. R is for rabbit with jumpy feet. S is for snake slithering by. T is for tiger with a fierce cry. U is for unicorn fish swimming so bright. V is for vulture soaring at night. W is for walrus whiskers and all. X is for x-ray fish tiny and small. Y is for yak with shaggy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes to wear. A to Z, we've sung them all. Now let's clap and have a ball. Animals, animals.